guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I am going to be showing you how I moisturize my box braids. Some of you asked, Barbara, how do you moisturize your box braids? Show us how you moisturize your box braids. I think all of you would like to see how my hair has been growing. So I'm gonna take this off and you can see I have my hair in a very loose band. Yeah, there we go. When I tell you it's important for you to take care of your scalp, I am going to show you that my hair is not even dry because I do moisturize my hair every day. So I don't expect today to be one of those days where my hair is dry. This is how my hair is growing so far. And you can see, you can actually see that my hair is super clean, or not my hair is super clean, my scalp is super clean because, you know, I've been taking care of it. And of course I haven't washed my hair, not a single week. I haven't washed my hair since I've had these braids, and I am so proud of myself because I don't have any product builder or anything like that. You guys, look at that. It's not yet an inch, but you know, it's half an inch. You can actually see it there. So the first thing that I use to moisturize my hair is water. So I like to just go ahead and just apply a little bit of water, and so I like to go all through my hair doing the same thing. And that's why I like box braids, because it helps me work in sections. So you can see, like, I can run my hands through my box braids, and I like that a lot. So I don't want to make this video long for you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and then just rub it in. Yeah, but you want to make sure that you give yourself a really good massage when you're doing this. Like, everything that you apply on your scalp, give yourself a little bit of massage. And yeah, spritz that on top of it, the rest of your hair. You don't want a lot of water. Don't drench your braids with water. Just put a little bit of water, and that should be good, and then rub it in. I think the most important place to concentrate is your scalp. Usually when I apply water on my scalp, it feels so soothing. It just feels like there's life that has come back on my scalp. I feel so good. It's so soothing. I just feel so good. Leave-in conditioner is supposed to be hydrating and providing moisture to your hair. So this Anti-Junkies Quench Moisture Intense Leave-in Conditioner is, I alternate really. I alternate with my leave-in conditioner, but you know, I put a little bit of water in my Anti-Junkies because I'm running out. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do that. And guys, yes, I do apply my leave-in conditioner directly on my scalp. Okay, I do. And I love this Anti-Junkies. It's a very lightweight leave-in conditioner, and so you just kind of like apply all over your hair like this. And I don't apply this leave-in conditioner on my braids. I don't do that. I just don't want to create any product buildup. I'm sorry, I don't do that. And then massage it in. Easily absorbs into your hair. I'm gonna show you with a bit of it and see. Easily absorbs into your hair or your scalp. Wow, my hair is really growing. Okay, so the next thing that I do is oil. So the last thing I do is oil my scalp to kind of like seal in all the moisture that I put in. So I also do it in sections like I've been doing with the rest of the products. And I am using Amla and aloe oil. I have a mixture of this on my channel. This is what I've been using. You can use whichever oil that you have. Castor oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, whatever oil that you have. Draw the line, guys. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, that was a lot. That was a lot of it. But yeah, just kind of massage it in and spread it out everywhere. and then distribute it to the rest of your hair. And you can see, guys, you can actually see. Do you see that? That's my hair right there. Oh, I cannot wait to try this mixture on my hair, like directly on my hair as a sealant. I am looking forward to when I take down my hair and then use that on my hair. Like, I don't know, my hair is gonna love it because my scalp is loving it so far. Rub it everywhere. As you can see, guys, I am moisturizing at the same time I'm massaging. That's also part of this ritual or routine when I'm moisturizing my hair. But that's the good thing about this, is like you have to really rub it in, so it gives me an opportunity for me to massage my scalp. Kind of like penetrates through my scalp. And if you guys can see, but I love this oil. Look at that. Wow. Look at how fresh my hair is looking, guys. Look at how fresh. I'm probably gonna be taking this hair down soon. I don't like to keep this hair for a long period of time, and right now I'm at 4 weeks, so I'm gonna be taking it down soon. But I'm still liking it, you know. But I don't want to keep it for long. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think that I should leave it on for another 1 month? Because it's about to be a month, or it is a month, and I'm not sure. And there's so many things I want to do with my hair, so I'm not sure if I want to keep it for another 1 month. I've never had to keep in my hair for 2 months, so it's usually 1 month. Every single day I do moisturize and oil my scalp, and I think when you're on camera you have to be a little bit slower to do this, but it's really quick for me when I'm doing it. So this is how I moisturize, and when I'm done moisturizing and putting all the products in, then I give myself like a quick 5-minute massage. I can use my scalp massager, really good. And again, you can see that it's very easy for me to use it. Oh my god, it helps with blood circulation, and so yeah, I love it. I love. So sometimes when I'm tired and I'm sleeping, I just do like this. I go to sleep. I leave it on like this. Yeah. So I can go on and on and on doing that because it feels really good on my scalp. But yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys. That's how I moisturize my hair in box braids. Hopefully you're able to learn a few things or a few technique. I don't know, really. I don't think there is any technique there because all the things I was doing is just normal things. I like to keep it simple, and I like to kind of be gentle when I'm doing any of this. So I don't have long nails where I'm like, you know, creating friction on my hair. So I'm also gentle when massaging my hair, because again, you don't want to create frizz on your hair, because when the braids are frizzy, they're not gonna look cute. And you can see, guys, like my braids look good. Anyway, guys, so that's what I want to share with you guys. And of course, for those of you who are asking, how do I then moisturize my hair in box braids? Is that no wastage of time or products and stuff like that? No, you need to care for your hair regardless. And regardless, when it's out, when it's in a protective style, you want to make sure that you do care for your hair, and moisturizing your hair is very important. So that's how I do moisturize my hair in box braids. Let me know in the comment section below, how do you moisturize your box braids? How do you moisturize your hair in a protective style? I would like to borrow some techniques and some tips and tricks from you guys. So comment down below and let me know how you moisturize your hair in box braids. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I would want you to encourage your friend and your family member to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my videos. If you don't like my videos, I am so sorry you don't like them, but yeah, if you like them, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really does help me a lot. And let's engage in the comment section below, you guys. I love to hear from you. I love to hear from you, and I always reply to each one of you. So go in the comment section below and let's chat. Other than that guys, I will see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.